The scenario: a guest requests a room upgrade, but all rooms are currently occupied.
Hello, good morning. Thank you for calling Hotel Felicity. My name is Algin. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I'm currently staying in standard room and I'd like to request an upgrade to a suite.
I'd happy to assist you with that. Let me check our availability real quick. May I have your own number, please?
Sure, I'm in 308.
Thank you. Let me just pull up your reservation details. I truly appreciate your interest in upgrading. Unfortunately, at the moment, all the suites are fully booked.
Oh, that's too bad. I was really hoping to get a bigger space.
I completely understand. We always want to ensure our guests have the best experience possible. While an upgrade isn't available right now, I'd love to offer you some additional perks to enhance your stay.
Like what?
I can extend a complimentary late checkout until 2 p.m., allowing you extra time to relax before your departure. Alternatively, we could offer you a complimentary breakfast for tomorrow morning.
That sounds nice. I appreciate the late checkout option.
Consider it done. I've updated your reservation so you can enjoy your stay until a little longer with no extra charge. You'll have until 2 p.m. checkout.
That's great. I really appreciate it.
It's my pleasure. Do you have anything right now?
None so far.
Okay, thank you for calling Hotel Felicity. Have a great stay.
Thank you.